You touched on industry, innovation, and infrastructure briefly in our last video on decent and economic growth. As we transition into discussing SDG 9, industry, innovation, and infrastructure, let's continue that conversation as employment and economic growth are interconnected with these three I's. To begin, can you tell me what SDG 9 is and what it aims to accomplish?
Yes. Technological progress, investment in infrastructure, and innovation are key to finding lasting solutions to economic and environmental challenges and are crucial drivers of economic growth and development. The interconnections between investment in industry, innovation, and infrastructure and sustainable economic development are clear. We can't have one without the other. This SDG largely tackles disparities in investment around the world. 2.3 billion people lack basic sanitation. 2.6 billion people in developing countries do not have access to constant electricity. Over 4 billion people do not have access to the internet, with 90% of them in the developing world and in low-income African communities. Infrastructure constraints cut businesses' productivity by around 40%. The goal focuses on investing in developing countries for sustainable, efficient, and resilient development and for promotion of economic sustainability and employment. This goal also targets the transition to clean and renewable energy on a global scale and investment in technological development, research, and innovation. This goal includes investment in technologies that will transition the world into a more sustainable and just future.
So, how does investment in innovation, infrastructure, and industry impact the fashion industry? I mean, the industry is built upon innovation and infrastructure, and unfortunately, inequality is part of the design. How will it transition to meet Sustainable Development Goal number 9?
SDG 9 provides an exciting opportunity for the fashion industry to redesign, create new systems that support and respect communal growth of all people and the planet, rather than just profit. SDG 9 urges the industry to untangle the web of inequalities and lack of sustainable infrastructure within the supply chain, changing the way business is done and profit is made for the better. Investment must be made in infrastructure such as garment production factories, where garment workers are greatly impacted. This ties into inequality, health and well-being, and decent work. Look at the 2013 Rana Plaza disaster in Bangladesh. Thousands were killed as a result of the building's collapse, which could have been avoided by proper investment in infrastructure and safety protocol. Investment in infrastructure is investment in people. Investment in infrastructure is also investment for our planet. The fashion industry can utilize clean energy, renewable or recyclable building materials, energy-efficient technologies, and design that does not produce excess waste of materials, water, or energy.
You've touched on infrastructure. What about innovation? DSphere is an innovation that can drive change in the industry, right?
Absolutely. DSphere is an innovative technology that tackles crucial issues in the industry, such as textile waste, water, energy, and carbon emissions, unfair treatment of garment workers, unfair wages, and the disconnection of customers to their clothing, as well as the natural environment. The platform aligns with the goal targets to promote technological development for sustainability and resiliency. Global textile waste is one of the largest issues in the industry and our economy. DSphere provides a technological medium for upcycling, eliminating waste altogether, and circulating pre-existing materials. These practices align with the core principles of circular economy.
Wow, imagining a world without textile waste is so exciting. And solutions such as DSphere provide exciting opportunities to make this a reality. With a circular design, waste is designed out by intention. Materials that would become waste become feedstock for other production process.
Yes, in terms of the fashion industry, upcycling is circular by design. waste is turned into new products. So, not only is the monetary value of materials preserved, it is actually increased through the process. This is an exciting alternative to recycling, also known as downcycling, in which monetary value of material is degraded in the process. Circular fashion requires no water, uses minimal energy, produces no emissions in processing, and ensures no waste. In our current system, products have been designed without considering what happens at the end of their life. We have an opportunity to shift that narrative through redesign. DSphere tackles design flaws such as textile waste, water pollution, overproduction, and more. It's an exciting innovation that we must invest in to meet Sustainable Development Goal 9 within the fashion industry.